As your knowledge base evolves and time passes, there may be cases where certain articles are removed or edited and the URL or slug referencing those pages become invalid, also known as 404 errors. Detecting and responding to these errors can keep your knowledge base functioning at its best. The Page Not Found Analytics feature in Document 360 will show you how many hits to a specific non-existent URL are being made and captures data on any mistyped URLs. Given this information, we can then decide whether we want to deploy an article redirection or ignore it if it's not important or no longer relevant. The dashboard gives us a top-level view on the number of 404 errors being registered, which is the sum of the number of hits from browsers, bots, and a category named unknown. The browser category provides important information on the affected URLs, like the number of times it was hit, the browser and the operating system that was used, and the date. Bots are web crawlers typically deployed by search engines like Google and Bing to index websites, and the analytics can give you information on the user agent type. This section will also capture information on any custom bots that we may have built to keep an eye on the health and status of our knowledge base. Unknown is a special category where it's neither a bot nor a browser that generates the 404 error. For example, there may be a Java or Python program that passes one of the non-existent URLs. The data collected will include the number of times the URL is being hit, as well as the browser and operating system. A key piece of data which can point you to the source of a 404 error is a URL referrer. Sometimes an outdated or obsolete article may still be doing the rounds on old Facebook or LinkedIn posts, which users may click and end up with a page not found. This will be captured in the URL referrer, and we can proceed to deal with the error appropriately. All this information can be exported to a spreadsheet at any time with a click of this button. To demonstrate all this, let's look at a 404 page that is getting multiple hits, like this one. We know that there is an updated article on this topic in our knowledge base. To fix this 404 error, we can redirect it to the relevant page by going into Settings, Article Redirect Rules, and entering the URL of the 404 page here, and the destination here. Once this is complete, any hits to the non-existent link will be redirected to the relevant article in our knowledge base. In summary, the data provided by the Page Not Found Analytics can provide insight into what your users may be searching for but not able to find, and helps you make strategic decisions on how to deal with them. It also helps keep your knowledge base up to date and relevant to your current business.